Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the last exercise of the chapter, that is exercise 4.5. In this exercise, we will construct the quadrilaterals when the special properties are known. Let us see how. The first part is draw the square reed with RE equals to 5.1 centimeter. Now here they have said draw a square reed. It is given it's a square and one side is given 5.1. So we will use the properties of a square. Since it is a square, all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. So as we do always, first we will draw the rough figure. In the rough figure, you will name this as R, E, A, D. And this side is 5.1. All sides are equal. So this is also 5.1. This is also 5.1. This is also 5.1. And each angle is 90 degree. So we have to construct this square. It is easy. Now four sides are given, four angles are given. Easily we can construct this square. Let us start the construction. First I will construct the baseline 5.1 centimeter. Now here I have all four angles are given, but I think two angles will solve my purpose. No need to construct all four angles. See, first I will draw the line 5.1 centimeter RE. Now at R, I will construct an angle of 90 degree with the help of compass. Open the compass of any comfortable radius, swing an arc. Then from this point, this is 60 degree. Then next point, this is 120 degree. And then the bisector of 60 and 120, it is 90 degree. Same process I will do at point E also. I will construct an angle of 90 degree at E also. This is 60 degree. This is 120 degree. Then the bisector of 120 and 60, it is 90. Now I will join these lines from R to this point. This will be 90 degree, and from E to this point, this will be also 90 degree, and I'll write here 90 degree. Now I will see RD is 5.1 and EA is also 5.1. So I will open the compass 5.1 centimeter, keep it at point R and swing an arc. Same compass I'll keep it at point E and swing another arc. This point is point D and this point is point A. Now I will join AD and write here 5.1 centimeter, 5.1 centimeter, 5.1 centimeter, and two angles 90 degrees. You can see we got the square READ. Here no need to do the construction of 90 degree, two are enough. So this way we get the square READ. Question number 2 is you have to construct a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter long. So here we will use the properties of rhombus. Since in rhombus the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So here I have drawn the rough figure. You can see ABCD is a rhombus in which the diagonals are bisecting. I have drawn it, means this OB is equal to OD and this OA is equal to OC. You can write also OB is equal to OD and OA equals to OC. The complete length of the diagonals is also given. So this question we will start with the construction of the diagonal. First I will draw the diagonal AC as 6.4 centimeter. So draw here a line segment of 6.4 centimeter. Now I will name it as A. See, when the overlapping is there, we should do it again. AC is 6.4 centimeter. AC. Now I have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. Keep the compass at point A. Open it more than half of this line segment AC. Swing arc, one on the top and one at the bottom. Then same compass keep at point C. Swing one arc on the top and one at the bottom. You got the bisector of this AC. That is the perpendicular bisector. and put here the symbol of perpendicular. Now the other diagonal BD, it is 5.2 centimeter and it is bisected also. That means OB is 2.6 and OD is 2.6. See, total BD is 5.2 centimeter. So this half of BD, that is OB, will be 5.2 divided by 2, that is 2.6 centimeter, and OD will also be 2.6 centimeter. So I will open the compass 2.6 centimeter. Keep it at point, this point of intersection of the diagonals. Swing one arc on the top and one at the bottom. So this point which I got, this point is point B and this point is point D. See, here the name of the rhombus was not given. I have named it myself A, B, C, D. You can give some other name also. Now I will join AB, then BC, then CD, and then DA. So this way I got a rhombus ABCD. Here only diagonal measures was given, so I have used the properties of diagonals of rhombus, bisect at 90 degree, and we have constructed the rhombus ABCD. Third part is, you have to construct a rectangle with adjacent sides of length 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So in this question we will use the properties of rectangle. Since it is a rectangle, so opposite sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. I have drawn here a rough figure in which I have named it as PQRS, in which PQ is 5 centimeter. So opposite sides are equal, that means SR will also be 5 centimeter. RQ is 4 centimeter, so SP will also be 4 centimeter. So now you can see I have got the length of all four sides and I have got the angles. I can construct this rectangle very easily. First I will draw the baseline PQ as 5 centimeter. This is point P, this is Q, 5 centimeter. Then I will construct an angle of 90 degree at point P and 90 degree at point Q. So first arc, this is 60 degree, then this is 120, then bisector of 60 and 120 is 90. Same thing I am going to do at point Q also. First is 60 degree, then it is 120, then the bisector of 60 and 120 is 90 degree. This construction till now you might be knowing how to construct 90 degree. We have already learned. Now we will join. PQ is 5 centimeter. Now when you will join, you will get this straight line here and you will get here also the straight line. 90 degree angle. So right here 90 degree. Now next is RQ is 4 centimeter. So I will open the compass 4 centimeter. Keep it at point Q and swing an arc. Keep it at point P and swing another arc. Now I will join these two. This point is R and this point is S. So this is 5 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. This way your rectangle PQRS is the required rectangle. Last question of the exercise is, you have to construct a parallelogram OKAY where OK is 5.5 centimeter, KA is 4.2 centimeter, and then they are asking, is it unique? Now here we will use the properties of parallelogram. Since it is a parallelogram, so opposite sides are equal. If I draw the rough figure, you can see the rough figure OKAY. OK is 5.5 centimeter and KA is 4.2 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal means OK equals to AY equals to 5.5 centimeter and AK equals to YO equals to 4.2 centimeter. Now in this question only 4 sides are given, nothing else is given, and we have learned that to construct a unique quadrilateral we need at least 5 measurements. Here only 4 measurements are given. So they are asking, is it unique? So you will say, no, it is not unique, as 5 measurements of a quadrilateral help us to make a unique quadrilateral. Now, if you want to construct this quadrilateral, construction will be done, but it will not be a unique quadrilateral. Some of you can take this angle as 90 degree, angle O and angle K. Somebody will take it as 60 degree and 120 degree. Somebody will take as 75 degree and 105 degree. So, it will not be a unique parallelogram, because for unique parallelogram, we need at least 5 measurements.